Guys, welcome to my channel How to Learn. In this video I want to explain about how to reset password for Jenkins. Okay, let's assume I forgot my password. Now I was unable to log in. Okay, now what I want to do means, let's open our file manager and let's go to C drive, users, and Anil's folder. Here we have something like .jenkins. Okay, let's expand it so we can easily find it. Here I have .jenkins folder. I have to open it, and here I have something like config.xml file. First of all, let's edit it with notepad. Here we have a security related thing, like here we have the use security, right? I want to change it to false from true. Now save it and let's close it. Now let's restart our Jenkins. Okay, after restarting, let's load it again. Let's check what happens. Let's close it and open a new tab. Guys, it may take some time. It's loading. Now let's open it. Now let's check. Maybe this time is don't ask password. You can observe here it is not asking password. Now as we want to reset our password, we have to click on this manage Jenkins option. After that we will be redirected to another page. Okay, now here let's drag down this and let's click on the configure global security. Okay, after clicking on it, you'll get some options, guys. Let's wait for the page to be loaded. Now here you can find something like security run, and here just select this Jenkins own user database. Okay, now let's click on apply and save. Okay, now again you came to here and now just click on manage users, and here I have a user named Anil, and now I'm just clicking on the settings symbol. Now I want to change password for this. Okay, now I am changing password as I forgot my old password. Okay, click on apply and save. Now here let's click on this login. Okay, now let's try to log in. You can observe here now, before I was unable to log in due to wrong password, but I can log in now. I think so you guys understand how to do it. If you have any queries, please comment it in comment section.